The Boy Who Cried Wolf. A young boy worked for his father watching sheep in the field. After many days he became bored with his job and decided to have a little fun. From the top of a hill he yelled down toward the village, "Wolf! Help!" And all the men from the village came running to help. When the men got to the field, they were aggravated when they realized the boy was playing a prank. They warned him about the dangers of joking about such important things. However, a few days later, when the boy was bored again, he yelled for help again. The men again came rushing to help the young shepherd. A shepherd is someone who takes care of sheep. They grew angry and yelled at the boy for a long time, telling him he must not be playing pranks like that anymore. The very next day, while the boy was watching the sheep, he saw a wolf slinking through the bushes toward his flock. He screamed for help and frantically began running toward the wolf to scare it away. Unfortunately, the men of the village did not come to his aid since they believed it was a joke, and the wolf attacked and ate many of the sheep from the flock. The end.